Hey there, just doing a quick little wiring of my landscaping lighting, 12 volt landscape lighting. I wanted to show you the connectors and a little bit of how I'm doing it. If yours comes with these things, just yank them off, the garbage. The piercings will eventually let moisture in and it'll just rot the cabling, and you'll have electrical issues, and trying to troubleshoot this while it's buried in the ground is a pain in the rear. So what I found on Amazon is these guys. 3M makes a version of it, but it's a lot more expensive. I almost said 3M's are like double the cost. These were not too bad. So if I can position this here, here's a connection I've already done. Excuse the movement as I am doing this with my phone. So what I do is I clip what I want, cut the cable in half, and then I'm going to strip off just the edge. Just the edge. Of each one of these. Just enough to taper it. And I found with this Southwire 14 gauge, it does fit without doing this, but it is the easiest if you lop off the edges. And it just slides right in. You want to see the end come on the other side here. Again, all the way to the end. And then this is what I pulled off of these guys. I just yanked it off and it came right off. So I'm going to take this one and feed it into the middle. Sorry for the jittering. Once I see it all the way at the top, I'm going to take my pipe pliers. As you push on it, you'll feel it jump or kind of click into place. I know some of the others may make a noise, but these ones don't. And that's what I'm using. You see it's set pretty low. If you have a hard time clamping, just set it one size a little bit bigger. Clamp it all the way down. All that goo comes out. If you wanted to really badly use these guys, I would say get some dielectric gel and put it on the connections before you clamp it. I'm opting for this because I don't trust those. I hear they fall apart with heat. They corrode real bad. And then I'm going to tape up the end. And this is mainly just to keep the dirt out. I'm not worried about the moisture as much as I am the dirt. So if I have to service it, then there's not a big ball of dirt attached to it. So that's what you get afterwards. If you're curious, these lights that I'm using are a 12 volt, 24 volt Intertech. They only consume like 1 watt, so they're not very bright. In my situation, I have my lights are really close to the house, really close to the object that I'm trying to shine, so they need to be a lower brightness. Otherwise, they're just, anything else I've tried has been entirely too bright. So here's Intertech. They're called, I guess, moon rays. So that's all I got. And there's that bag.